Hello everybody and welcome back. As you can see, we've changed the name. It's officially Smoke and Tackle. Today we're going to be making everybody's favorite bait, watermelon, right? Except we're going to shoot that in two different colors. So let's pop these in the microwave. It's a remelt, so see how it goes. Throws on for 2.5 minutes right off the get-go. So we're going to be shooting some Senkos, we're going to be shooting some action worms, some creature baits, and a bunch of different worms. Hopefully this will turn out good. So we can see after that little bit of time, we're just starting to melt. Throw it in there for another 1.5 minutes, see what we got. So we're finally starting to get some good looking plastics that we can work with here. You can see there's still a couple of chunks. We're going to throw it in a little longer. Let it melt down. Then we'll be ready to shoot some molds. Alright, we just pulled both those plastics out. Time to shoot some molds. Little guy didn't quite get enough there, so just gonna top it off with some green. Top all these molds off. Let that sit for a minute and see what we got. Pretty sure this one didn't quite go, but we'll see. Like I said, we talk about watermelon red all the time, so let's make some actual watermelon. Alright everybody, it's time to start seeing what we got here. Knife. All right. Got the green, got the pink on the other side. Those turned out looking great. What about these? Those look awesome. Bust open our little action worm here. Once again, those just shot great. Let me know what you think of the new watermelon color. We got our little creature here. Those turned out looking really good, especially in the tail. Got our 5-inch Senko. This will really show you the difference in the two colors. All right. So you can definitely see that grain. The pink's pretty prominent too. This is all remelted plastic, 100%. Looking good. That's why you don't throw away any of your used plastics. Alright, so pretty sure this one did not shoot correctly, but we'll see. Well, actually, it looks like it shot pretty well. Well, there you go, everybody. That's your official watermelon color. Don't throw your used plastics away, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think, and remember, this is Smoke and Tackle.